boys and girls, welcome to Learn Guitar. It's about time. Citizen Soldiers, CS, where have they been? Yes, I know, a long time ago. This time we're gonna go into a song called I Believe You, and I actually think we're gonna bring them in here more often. We haven't before. For some reason they just slipped out. No, they deserve a spot here. So we're gonna start with I Believe You, Citizen Soldier, and this is a very simple song to play and handle for 5 chords. 5 chords is what we need. So let's go into this. We have no need for any capo here. Let's learn the chord. We're gonna start with F. So it's a bar chord. You play the index finger on the first fret, you push down all strings there. Then you need to add third on A, third D, and second G. We have A minor next. That will be open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have G. That will be third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, third E. We have C as well. And that will be third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And we're gonna use D minor also, and that will be open D, second G, third B, and first E. Okay, so there we have the chords. Now let's learn the strumming. If you grab the first chord F, that's how the song starts, the intro. You're gonna play down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so down, short pause, and then down, up, down, up. All right, so a couple rounds. Make sure you really get that first down on the bass strings, and then the down, up, you can play in the mid, higher area, doesn't matter, but the first down, really mark out the chord. Now, we're gonna start with the intro. It goes F, 4 string rounds, A minor 4, G 4, and C 4. Okay, so we're gonna work really with these 4 chords almost in the same way the entire song. We'll look into that, but anyway, that is the intro. And then comes the first verse, starts about 41 seconds in. You're gonna play A minor 4, F4, C4, and G4. Let's do a run around together. A, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, and G, 3, 4. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds. I played 1, you double up for 2 rounds, and then in the end you just play 1 down on that D minor with a big pause, as if you would play 4 string rounds. That's the length of that pause, but you just play 1 down. 2, 3, 4, and then comes the first chorus. We are now hitting the 1 minute and 24 second mark. I Believe You. So yes, you're gonna play F4, A minor 4, G4, and C4 for 1 round. And after that comes the post-chorus part, where you turn around that start. So you're gonna go A minor 2, F2, C2, and G2. Okay, so that is the first round. Second verse now, a little bit different. So you're gonna play A minor 4, F4, C4, G4, and then A minor 2, F2, C2, G2. So that is a little bit different from the first one, and that is what's going on in the second verse. Then comes the second chorus, played exactly in the same way as the first one, so no changes there. And then comes the bridge part at 2 minutes and 39 seconds in. What you're going to play here is A minor 4, F4, and G8. Then A minor 4, F4, C4, G4. And that is the bridge part. Let's continue now. Fast forward. We're going to the third chorus, and that is played exactly in the same way as the previous choruses, but you're gonna play, instead of just 1 round on F, A minor, G, C, 4 rounds per chord, you're gonna play for 2 rounds now, so it's twice as long. And after that, you play the outro. You're gonna play the chorus play for 1 round, and then the verse play for 1 round. And guess what, guys? It's that simple. that is how I handle a song called I Believe You. Alright, so if you're a fan of them, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Be back for next upload, because they will be back here for sure. So thank you for watching, guys. Till next time, play tuned.